I am very pleased to introduce our other product to you again, a very popular one, folding container. So it reduces our installation time overseas, because the entire skeleton can be installed in 5 minutes, can be folded 500 times repeatedly. We can see through the lens. We made a modification with the curtain wall. Just order your curtain wall locally. We can complete a set of houses for shipping containers. Our labor costs very expensive in your country, but one of our main installations is very simple. We made the door a broken bridge aluminum door. We can make sliding doors or sliding doors. Let's take a look together. It's very warm, this box. The thickness of our wall panel is 5 centimeters, because it is also to better complete folding and container loading rate. We can fit 12 sets in a 40-foot HQ, so it can also greatly reduce its transportation costs. Let's take a look at the restroom together. Wow, this restroom is so great. Although small, the functions are very comprehensive. Sliding door with frosted glass. This size is very comfortable. Okay, very good. And then in this place, we can install a wash basin towel rack. I personally think this door is very good. If you have more recommendations, you can also contact us. Let's follow the camera and take a look. The overall sense of individuality after the modification of the curtain wall, right? We use PVC waterproof flooring grid for the ground. Stone slabs, composite boards, and ceramic tiles can also be used. In order to better lay out the entire space, let's take a look at our circuit again. The entire circuit is very concise. Of course, you have another requirement. We can meet your design requirements to give you more space layout, a living environment for the entire internal use, and the sofa and rest tables and chairs. There is no problem with the luggage rack. Of course, you can also customize according to your requirements. For example, the width can be changed to 3.3 meters, 3.5 meters, and larger sizes. Hope this video can bring you a better design inspiration. If you have a need, you can leave us a message on our official website. We will contact you as soon as possible.